Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Let's go have a look. One of the most exciting things about caravanning is hooking up your caravan to your tow vehicle. Now there's some really important safety factors here that we will run through, but we suggest that you set up your tow vehicle and your caravan methodically. You make sure whilst you're doing this, there is no interruptions, and that you potentially go through a checklist that you've created yourself and run through each step to make sure you've done it safely before you and your family hit the road. When hitching up to your caravan, make sure that your coupling is actually higher than the tow ball itself, so that way when you're backing up, you back underneath the coupling, which will make lowering easier onto the tow ball. When dropping the van or the coupling down onto the tow ball, make sure you unclip the coupling at the top using the lever and pull upwards and lock into place. Once you've done that, wind down the jockey wheel so the coupling sits over the top of the tow ball. Once this is done, make sure that pin coupling that you've done at the top, make sure you drop that down over the lock so it locks onto the tow ball. Now safety chains must always be crossed. Ensure that they're crossed so if the van does become disconnected, that they actually cradle the coupling. So also make sure that you don't have an excessive amount of length on your chains, so you may wish to have 1 or 2 links off the chains. Now when coupling this to your vehicle, make sure you use rated D shackles to connect these, as it's an important part of your breakaway system. When connecting your 12-pin plug, make sure you lower the outer casing on the plug, connect that so it's nice and firm. Now if you do have an Anderson plug, make sure you insert that as well, because that will then operate the power of the fridge within your van. There's also the reversing camera, which is a pigtail that will run between the tow vehicle and the caravan if applicable. So insert this pigtail into the tow vehicle and also into the caravan and make sure that you do up the connection nice and firm. Wind down and remove the jockey wheel, but also remember to lock off and close that jockey wheel clamp. Finally, release the handbrake and triple check your connection to your tow vehicle. And that's how you safely connect your RV to your tow vehicle. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.